and Miss Africa. Represented by Lexicon Dave and Grace Alupe. Lexicon Dave is the son of Mr. Raul, and this is Cecilia Amini. And Grace is the daughter of Mr. Nadar and Mrs. Loma Alupe.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Grace Maran Erca Lopez, representing the country of Africa. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lexicon representing the country of Africa.
Thank you, player number 2. Let's have the next in line, our very own Mr. and Miss Teen UN from Philippines. Represented by Hannah Bicodo with her escort, James Midilo. Hannah is the daughter of Mr. Rani and Mrs. Serena Bicodo, while James is the son of Mr. Emmanuel and Mrs. Lucrecia Midilo.
Representing our very own Philippines.
Hello everyone, my name is Manuel James B. Midilo, representing the country of Philippines.
And there we have Christine Philippines. Next in line